Sup dudes, it's 8-Bit Emerald Endzone today. It's been a long time since my birthday video, and this is another battle I need to show you. It's a battle between Bloody Longinus and Revive Phoenix. So, let's begin the battle, and the rules remain the same. Whoever scores 10 points win the battle. Whoever scores 10 points wins the battle. Sorry for the grammar. So let's begin by saying 3, 2, 1, go shoot. That was a good start. Dang it! Longinus! Okay, if that's the case, that's 1 point for Phoenix. Which Longinus just ran out of the stadium. No way. So 3, 2, 1, go shoot. Uh-oh, no. That's not how it's supposed to be. So, second battle. Phoenix still got 1 point. So, let's try it again. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. Go Longinus. Longinus is freaking around the stadium, and look at the damage he's doing on Phoenix. Also, you're probably wondering about this camera of mine, and Phoenix takes another point. If you're probably wondering, I have a new phone. I'm using my new phone, which is a better camera quality and, of course, the frame rate and pixels. So yeah, let's move on to the third battle. Ah, come on! Longinus, what's wrong with you? Doesn't count. Let's try it again. Ah, great. Not again. Longinus is circling around the stadium again. Okay. Who's gonna win? Okay, Phoenix just won again, so let's try another battle. Whoever scores a point, the next point will have a break. So 3, 2, 1, go shoot. Longinus is going to attack, and I launch him sideways. Slantways. So this is the idea here. Come on, Longinus. You're gonna win this. And Phoenix takes another point. So we're gonna have a break time for this moment. So see you for a few moments. Welcome back, everyone, and as you can see about this stadium, say it with me, the walls are about to go up. And we're moving on to the next battle by saying 3, 2, 1, go shoot. Whoa! Phoenix takes the 5th point. He's halfway to the finish line. Or should I say win? Try again. It's gonna move the... Okay, let's try it again. 5-0 and... Come on, Longinus. What's wrong with you? Finish this. Oh my god. Phoenix, what's wrong with you? Someday I'll do a sequel battle between... I meant to say is I want to do a sequel battles between the same base for some reason. So 3, 2, 1, go shoot. Wow, Longinus is losing right now. Can't outstand Phoenix. So the score is 7-0, and moving on to the next battle. Will Phoenix win this one? Eight, 0, and Phoenix is still winning. Ah, great, not the armor. Let's do this. Ooh, Longinus. Okay, Phoenix gets 9-0. Oh, Phoenix is always winning this. And moving on to the next battle, because the walls had gone down. Oh, first point. Longinus gets the first point. Now we're going to move on. Wow, Longinus takes the win. This is intense, guys. Longinus will outscore eventually. Otherwise, Phoenix will win this. So, next battle. Oh, there it is! Longinus is improving himself. A 3-0 score. Another break time, shall we? Welcome back, guys. And sorry to say, the score is actually 9-3, not 3-0, because it was a mistake. So, next battle. Wow, tense battle, and Phoenix wins the battle. So congratulations, Phoenix. You won, and the score is 10-3. So congrats, Phoenix. As for you, Longinus, you did your best, but you lost with a bad score again. So sometimes we'll do a sequel battle, sometimes maybe not. And I'll see you guys next time. Later, dudes.